In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a layer. We'll walk through a simple beginner-friendly animation workflow in Moho from setting up your scene to previewing your motion. By the end, you'll understand how layers, bones, and keyframes work together so you can bring artwork to life. First, start by creating a new layer. Think of a layer as a container for your artwork. You can keep things tidy by naming your layers clearly, especially if you plan to add multiple elements later. Layers can hold vector drawings, imported images, or even rigged characters, and organizing them early makes everything easier to manage. Next, add your artwork to that layer. This could be a vector drawing you create inside Moho, an image you import, or a bone layer if you're preparing a character. Vector layers are great for crisp, scalable shapes, while image layers are perfect for pre-made illustrations. If you're mixing multiple elements, arrange them in the layers panel so the stacking order matches how you want things to appear in your scene. If you're animating a character, you can set up bones to control movement. Bones act like a skeleton that drives your artwork, letting you rotate limbs, bend joints, and create believable motion with fewer adjustments. This step is optional, but it's incredibly useful for characters or anything with hinged parts. Keep joints aligned with where you expect motion, like elbows or knees, for more natural results. Now head down to the timeline. The timeline is where timing happens. Move the red playhead to the frame where you want something to change. Think of the playhead as your marker in time. Wherever it lands is the moment you're about to affect. Make a change at that frame. You can move a bone to pose a limb, adjust a shape, or shift an entire layer to create position changes. As soon as you do, Moho automatically creates a keyframe at that moment. A keyframe is a snapshot of what your object looks like at a specific time, and Moho fills in the in-between motion for you. Keep building your animation by adding more keyframes. Move the playhead to a new frame and tweak something again. Each adjustment adds another keyframe, and spacing keyframes closer together creates slower, smoother motion, while wider spacing makes action feel faster and snappier. Small, incremental changes often produce the cleanest results. When you're ready, hit play to watch your animation. Look for any timing issues or pops, and fine-tune by moving keyframes along the timeline or refining poses. With this workflow, you'll quickly get comfortable animating in Moho and ready to take on more complex scenes.